You chose the wrong side of the street, John.
I chose the winning side.
Not today.
Okay, what you just saw? That's not a video game. That's not a movie set. That's a GTA character. And I made that in under 10 minutes using AI, a tool called Seedance 2.0. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're gonna be able to do the exact same thing. So today, we're doing something I've honestly been wanting to try for months. We're taking GTA characters, yes, the actual GTA characters, and dropping them into real-life footage. And the tool that makes this possible? It's called Seedance 2.0, ByteDance's latest AI video model that just dropped in early 2026. And honestly, it's been breaking the internet. Hollywood studios are literally sending cease and desist letters because it's that good. We'll talk about that in a second. But first, smash that like button if you're a GTA fan, drop a comment telling me your favorite GTA character, and let's get into it. Seedance 2.0 is a multimodal AI video model. That basically means it can take images, videos, audio, and text all at the same time and combine them into one insanely realistic output. Now, to actually use Seedance 2.0, I'm going to be using a platform called SJinn.ai. And this is honestly my favorite way to access it right now. SJinn is basically an all-in-one AI creative workspace. You can generate images, videos, audio, 3D content, all in one place. And they just added Seedance 2.0 to their platform, which is exactly why we're here today. The cool thing about SJinn is it has 3 different modes. Agent mode, where you just describe what you want, and the AI handles everything. Tool mode, where you get manual control, and canvas mode for more visual compositing work. For this tutorial, we're going to use tool mode so you can see exactly what I'm doing step by step. Oh, and heads up, they currently have 40% off annual plans running right now, so if you want to follow along and try this yourself, I'll drop the link in the description. Okay, let's get into the actual tutorial. Alright, step 1. Before we even open SJinn, we need to gather our assets. Think of this like prepping your ingredients before you cook. The better your ingredients, the better your final dish. Number 1, a GTA character image. I'm going with Jason Duval from GTA. Number 2, your city footage. Now this is where it gets fun. I collected a video clip of an empty garage. Number 3, audio. I'm using a GTA-style hip-hop track because the moment people hear that sound, their brain immediately goes GTA. You can generate one with SJinn Music Generator. Got all 3? Perfect. Let's head over to SJinn. Okay, so I'm on SJinn.ai right now. You can see the interface here. Go ahead and log in or create a free account if you haven't already. I will put the link in the description. Once you're in, and then switch to tool mode up here at the top. This gives us the most control over what we're doing. Once you are in tool mode, come to the video tab and then select Seedance 2.0. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see the upload area where you can add your assets. Remember those 3 things we gathered? Time to use them. First, upload your GTA character image here. I'm dropping in my Jason Duval screenshot. Nice, clean, full body shot. Next, upload your city footage or image as the reference. In the end, upload the audio reference. SJinn supports up to 3 audio files. Once all the assets are ready, we have to enter the prompt. Now, let's have a look at the prompt structure. We have to be specific about the character, movement, camera, and environment. And as Seedance 2.0 supports multi-scene video, you can add timestamps for the video. This is my final prompt. I am entering the prompt. Alright. Settings. I'm going with a 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube, an 8-second duration, and Pro mode for better results. Now if you want to use a real face, you have to use this Accelerate Real Face feature. In the end, you have the Smart Rescue feature. If you are facing a violation of content policies problem, use the Smart Rescue option. This will bypass the violent content policy problem. Hit generate and we wait. Okay, look at this. This is the exact character I just uploaded. The place is the same place I uploaded. The way the lighting hits him, the way he moves, it actually looks like he belongs there. That is wild. Now, let's level up one step. This time, I am gonna upload 2 characters and create a fight scene. I am uploading the characters' images. Once the images are uploaded, I will upload a BGM for the video. Now we have to enter the prompt. This time, I am gonna use timestamps so that we can create a multi-shot video scene. I will share this prompt with you. If you want to know about Seedance 2.0 prompt engineering, let me know in the comments section. I will make a video on it. Okay, now set the aspect ratio of the video and then the video duration. I am going to select 15 seconds this time. Next, I will go with Pro mode. Once everything is set, hit the generate button and wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready.
You chose the wrong side of the street, John.
I chose the winning side.
Not today.
Round 2 begins.
Look at the quality of the video. This is really amazing. The motion, physics simulation, the action choreography, everything looks like a scene from a Hollywood movie. So, now we can create the Hollywood version of GTA. And look at this. I created this video earlier. The AI nailed the atmospheric lighting. The neon reflections on the rain-slicked pavement provide a cinematic depth that feels professionally rendered rather than AI generated. While the low side tracking and front bumper cam shots provided the requested visceral speed, the aerial drone sequence showcased the model's ability to handle intricate spatial layouts without breaking immersion. And this one, Seedance 2.0 demonstrates incredible versatility here, shifting from neon-lit aesthetics to a high-octane daylight action sequence with flawless temporal stability. The model expertly managed complex particle effects, from the sparks grinding on the pavement to the massive cinematic explosion, while maintaining the muscle car's specific design across every camera angle. Its ability to integrate interior character shots and close-up speedometers suggests a deep understanding of narrative pacing and rhythmic editing. The final jet-boosted bridge jump is a masterclass in AI physics, proving that Seedance 2.0 can handle extreme, over-the-top VFX without losing visual coherence. Ultimately, this result confirms that the tool isn't just for atmosphere. It's a robust engine for high-fidelity, storyboard-driven action cinema. And that's it. That's literally all it takes to put GTA characters into real life using Seedance 2.0 on SJinn.ai. I genuinely think this is one of the coolest things you can do with AI right now, and we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. Don't forget to try it out. The link will be in the description. If this video helped you out, a like takes literally 2 seconds, and it helps this video reach more people. And if you're new here and you want more AI tutorials like this every week, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss one. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.